Power, performance, style. Meet the all-new Clark Renegade S25XE, the lithium-powered forklift that's rewriting the rules of electric. The Renegade isn't just another electric lift truck. It's built to rival internal combustion, delivering the same muscle with zero emissions, lower operating costs, and bold styling that turns heads indoors and outdoors. Choose from 3 models: S25XE, 5,000 pounds, S30XE, 6,000 pounds, S35XE, 7,000 pounds. Unlike typical electrics, the Renegade thrives outdoors. With over 6 inches of ground clearance, 27% gradability, pneumatic-style tires, and sealed components. It's built for the yard, the dock, and the warehouse floor. And it looks the part. Polygonal contours, reflective accents, and Clark's signature S-Series style, combined for a low-profile design that boosts visibility while standing out from the crowd. Performance? No compromises. Travel speeds up to 11 miles per hour, strong lift and lower speeds, and over 2,400 pounds of drawbar pull mean you'll forget it's electric until you see the savings. At the heart of the Renegade is the Clark Fusion Lithium System, an 80-volt UL-certified battery that delivers full power from the first lift to the last. Run up to 8 hours on a charge or cover 2 shifts with quick opportunity charging. Recharge in as little as 2 hours, with no watering, no acid, and no maintenance headaches. Step inside and comfort comes standard. A spacious cab, wide pedals, and vibration-reducing floor keep operators fresh. Hydraulic or fingertip controls are right where you need them. Low step height and open footpath make entry and exit easy, while premium seating options keep every shift comfortable. Intelligence is built in with a full-color LCD Smart Dash. Monitor battery life, performance, diagnostics, and safety alerts. And switch between economy, standard, or power mode with a touch. Safety comes standard. The parking brake engages automatically when you stop or leave the seat. And with the optional vertical mast system, forks level themselves automatically to prevent pallet damage. Clark's patented nested I-beam mast resists twisting for rock-solid lifts. Slim mast profiles maximize forward visibility. Need customization? Add cab enclosures, fork positioners, safety lighting, or mirrors to match your exact operation. Even USB ports and storage trays are available to keep operators productive. The Clark Renegade delivers electric power with IC performance at a lower total cost of ownership. Clean, quiet, powerful, and built to stand out. It's not just electric, it's electrifying.
I'm an outdoor forklift. Big tires, tough jobs, rain, heat, gravel. I eat that for breakfast.
And I'm an indoor forklift. Smooth tires, quiet, precise. I glide through clean floors and tight aisles.
Sure, but you can't handle the elements, can you? And don't even get me started on snow.
Okay, Mr. Dusty Axle, you try working a double shift without fumes.
I'm the Clark Renegade. Indoor and outdoor. Lithium power, zero emissions, no maintenance trauma. 8-hour runtime, and if you give me a quick charge on brake, I'll run 2 shifts without breaking a sweat.
Bet you can't handle a gravel lot, though.
Try me. I'm built like an IC truck with the comfort of electric, sealed components, and an 18.7 kilowatt AC drive motor. I'm built for the yard and the warehouse.
But what about operator comfort?
Spacious cab, adjustable suspension seat, fingertip controls optional, and my rubber floor mats even dampen vibration. Your back will thank me.
Gosh, you're not just a forklift, you're a show-off.
I prefer multi-talented. And yeah, I do have programmable safety features and regenerative braking. You two can keep arguing. I've got pallets to move.